Welcome back to creating a COMET-Farm project for carbon farm planning purposes. We'll return to the home page where I'll take you on a quick tour of what you're seeing here. On this first tab, you'll see linked our COMET-Farm manual, also known as our user guide. That's populated with lots of frequently asked questions, step-by-step guidance on how to create a project from scratch, as well as information like how to interpret your results. It's generally a go-to document for any questions you may have. Under Methods and Documentation, we've linked the USDA peer-reviewed Quantifying Greenhouse Gas Fluxes in Agriculture and Forestry. The COMET tools were created in parallel with and as a function of this document, also known as the Blue Book. So any questions you have about the methods and models going on behind the tool can be answered by referring to this document. Each module in COMET-Farm corresponds to a different chapter of the Blue Book. Under which COMET tool is right for me, we've created just some simple infographics to help users get started, understanding whether COMET-Farm or COMET Planner is most appropriate depending on their location, the amount of management details they have, and then lastly, if the COMET-Farm user interface or the API is more appropriate for their circumstances. At the top of the toolbar, I also like to point out this Resources tab. Under Documentation, you'll see we have lots of guidance documents to help users get started as well. This will include things like another link to the USDA Blue Book, another link to our user guide, links to our YouTube training videos, a link to our help desk and our frequently asked questions, as well as our training calendar. You'll see up at the top of this page, I've also listed appnrel@colostate.edu. That's our help desk email address that you can reach out to me. Also on Mondays, we host what are called office hours. These are intended for kind of project-specific questions that wouldn't be addressed in a weekly training. So please feel free to register for those in advance. Lastly, in terms of documentation, I like to point out the Need Help widget. This is located in the lower right-hand corner of your page, and it's going to follow you from page to page. It's pre-populated with lots of frequently asked questions, which you can find by just typing up a search term, but it also does include a Contact Us form. So if you are looking for an answer to your question and it's not addressed in the Need Help widget, feel free to use that Contact Us form to reach out to us as well. With that, I'm going to go ahead and bring us back to our home page where we're going to dive into creating a project from scratch once we log into our account.